Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna create this fall appropriate makeup look. This is suitable for almost every Indian skin. So the eyes are very warm toned and this look is very appropriate if you are going out for a wedding function or a party. And yeah, if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, then please keep on watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As this is winter, I'm starting off with a facial oil instead of moisturizer. I'm taking 3 drops and gently massaging it into my skin. Next I'm taking a primer. Now I don't want too much primer, I just want to cover my pore areas. I don't get oily so much in winter, but primer is something that is gonna hold your moisture as well, so primer is a must for me. Next I'm color correcting my face and hiding my dark spots and acne scars. Now if you don't have hyperpigmentation or if you have a flawless skin, you can completely skip this step. Now as this is a matte foundation, I'm gonna mix a little bit of facial oil with it. Now especially in winter, I love using either a moisturizer or a facial oil with my foundation to get that dewy finish. And this is how your face is not gonna look dry or flaky, especially in the winter time. Now I'm using a concealer to get that extra coverage and to look flawless, as this is a wedding guest makeup look. Now I'm using a banana powder to set my under eyes and my T-zone, and I couldn't find my Fit Me one, so I am using it today. Otherwise I would prefer loose powder over it any day. To deal with the extra powderiness, I'm using a setting spray, and this is gonna set my base as well. Now guys, I got a lot of requests to review this particular product. So this is the Music Flower Eyebrow and Eyeliner pot, and this comes with a gel liner and a brow powder. Now I have used the gel liner and I didn't like it, but the brow powder I am using it in front of you to show you guys that how it works. So as a brow powder the product is okayish, but as a gel liner I didn't like it at all. And this product is very inexpensive, so if you want to invest in a brow product that is not too expensive, that is under 200 to 250, then you can go and get it. And these products do come in 2 different shades. One is black and the other one is the brown one. And here to set my brows on place, I'm using a transparent brow gel. For my eyes today, I'm going to use the Sugar eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking the peach shade and using it as my transition shade and applying it all over my crease. And these eyeshadows are very pigmented, very blendable, and even the matte eyeshadows, they doesn't look chalky at all. Next I'm taking this deeper shade and applying it to my outer corners, and I'm just placing it and then building up the color. So do not take a lot of color at once, always take a little bit of color and build it up little by little. And once you are happy with the pigmentation, just go back to the previous brush and just blend out the edges. That's the basic technique of creating any eyeshadow look, so always remember that. Next for my eyelid, I'm looking for a gradient look, so first I'm gonna apply this shade to the outer portion of my eyelid. Next I'm taking the shade and applying it from the middle to the inner portion of my eyelid. Now for my inner corners, I'm taking this shade and I'm just dragging it inwards, as you can see. Now that is done, I went back to the previous eyeshadow that I applied to my outer corners. I'm just deepening up my eyelids a little more, and at the same time I'm just smoking out my bottom lash line as well. Next I took the previous peach shade and just balancing out everything so that everything looks seamless and blended. For my lower waterline, I'm using a nude eye pencil from Wet n Wild. You can use any nude pencil that you have. Next, with the help of this gel eyeliner, I'm just creating a wing. A wing can make any eye look to some next level, that I believe. curled my lashes and applied 2 coats of mascara. I always use waterproof mascara, as you guys know by now. Now I'm using a bronzer to give some warmth to my face, as my face was looking very flat. Then I used some blush to give some color to my cheeks. And as I went a little too ham with my bronzer and blush, I am using this duo fiber brush to blend everything in. Next I'm using this highlighter palette after a decade, and this shade is my absolutely favorite. Look at it guys, how beautiful it is. Makeup Revolution makes amazing highlighters, you guys. To set my makeup on place, I'm using the same setting spray for the second time. Then I used a lipstick, and this one is from Maybelline, and I love the shade. Look at it, how beautiful it is. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you guys like this look. If you like it, definitely let me know and give it a big thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel before you leave. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.